This is a 501c, bracket C, close bracket, brackets 3, close brackets. Now, it's a simple term of 501c organization, what it is, and pros and cons in a simple terms. A 501c3 organization is a type of non-profit organization that is exempt from federal income tax under Section 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code. These organizations are usually formed for charitable, religious, educational, scientific, literary, or other similar purposes. Here are the pros and cons of being a 501c3 organization in financial terms. The pros. Number 1. Tax-exempt status. One of the most significant benefits is that 501c3 organizations are exempt from paying federal income tax on their earnings. This allows more of the organization's funds to be directed towards its charitable mission. Number 2, eligible for tax-deductible donations. Donors to 501c3 organizations can typically deduct their contributions from their taxable income, which can incentivize giving and help organizations raise funds. Number 3, access to grants and funding. Many foundations, government agencies, and other grant-making entities only provide funding to organizations with 501c3 status, giving these organizations access to additional source of financial support. And here's the cons. Restrictions on activities. 501c3 organizations are subject to certain restrictions on their activities, such as limitations on lobbying and political campaigning. Engaging in prohibited activities can jeopardize the organization's tax-exempt status. Number 2. Compliance and reporting requirements. Non-profit organizations must comply with various reporting and disclosure requirements imposed by the IRS and the regulatory agencies. This can involve maintaining detailed financial records, filing annual information returns such as Form 990, and adhering to specific governance and operational standards. Number 3. Limited revenue generating activities. While 501c3 organizations can generate income from the activities related to their tax-exempt purposes, they are generally restricted from engaging in certain revenue-generating activities that are unrelated to their mission. Income from unrelated business activities may be subject to unrelated business income tax (UBIT). Overall, the decision to operate a 501c3 organization involves weighing the benefits of tax-exempt status and accessing to funding against compliance requirements and limitations on activities. For organizations with a clear charitable mission, 501c3 status can provide significant financial advantages and credibility in the eyes of donors and grant makers. Now, that is quite a lengthy explanation. If you like more detailed, we will most certainly go. If you like, let me know in the comments and I will most certainly do that for you. If you like this video, I don't know, would you like to hit the like button? I don't really mind, I've got nothing against it.